And there's so much people. Like, damn. Oh, there. Oh, there we go. Okay, y'all, we're at this first property. Let me show y'all outside because I really like outside first. So hold on. Look at this. Tell me this isn't like glorious. I'm showing people houses. So refreshing with me. Tell me how I was at this damn first store. This is the unit what we're showing for like 5 minutes and it would not open. But we finally got in. Anyways, let me show y'all the rest of this property. It's going for like $1,800. It's a 1-1. My clients are sitting here. They're Spanish speakers, so I really cannot even talk to them. I had to call one of my sister's friends to literally talk to these people for me. But hey, it worked out at the end, you know. And we're doing our best. That's all that matters. So this is the living room. Okay, so sorry. Oh, it is 2 beds. Oh. It is 2 bedroom.